Welcome to your dashboard. This is an overview of everything that's going on in your business. It's a fairly straightforward page. At the top here, there's a quick link to add an expense if you need to do that. We've talked about that in other videos. You can also view your website by clicking here, and there's an overall monthly revenue, monthly expenses, and food cost figure here. The other thing that appears on the dashboard each week is your prep list. Any prep jobs that need doing will arrive here. Anything from today will be at the top, and then you'll be able to see the rest of the week on this smaller card on the right. Upcoming jobs. These are all the jobs that are coming up in the next few weeks, and you'll be able to click on them and go straight to the live job. Likewise, click on one of these prep jobs, and it will take you to the calendar. You'll be able to directly mark these prep tasks as complete from the dashboard as well, which is quite handy when you're cooking. And at the bottom, there's a revenue versus expense summary for the year. So not really a lot to do on this page, but it's just a good overall of what shape your business is in.